Pleasant welcome to all. Now we are going to study about the critical section problem, video lecture and e-content created by R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head Department of MCom CA, IN under Janaki-Ammal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email siva.msccsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Critical section. A section of code changing common variables, updating a table, is shared with more than one processes is called critical section. All the processes wants to access the same code, but only one process is desired to be in its critical section. A critical section that operates a code. Example: railway reservation system. A solution to the critical section problem must satisfy following three requirements. Mutual exclusion. At a time, only one process should allow to execute in a critical section. Progress. If no process is in critical section, then quickly decide which one process enters the critical section next. Bounded waiting. It is otherwise called as limit waiting. Once a process enters its critical section, it does not get another turn until a waiting process gets a turn. Solution. In 1981, G.L. Patterson published a simpler algorithm for two-process mutual exclusion. Boolean flag subscript to int turn semicolon while true. Open curly brace flag I equal to true semicolon turn equal to j semicolon while flag j and operator turn double equal to j critical section flag I equal to 0 remainder section close curly brace. The process share two variables, boolean flag to int turn. The flag variable indicate if a process is ready to enter the critical section, flag 0 equal to true implies that process P0 is ready. Turn variable indicates for turn it is to enter the critical section. When process P0 sets flag 0 to true, then P1 cannot enter its critical section. If P1 is already in critical section, then flag I equal to true and P0 is blocked from entering its critical section. Thank you.